Hello everyone, welcome to Books Amaze. My name is Apni and on this channel I make lots and lots of book related videos. I also make videos related to communication and lifestyle. And today is a very special video because today I'm going to talk about some books that I recently got from my library, and this is technically my very first book haul of 2020 because of the COVID situation. Everything was shut down, the libraries were not open, and you guys know that I usually get my books from the library nearby. There are very good public libraries here, so I don't spend a lot of my money on buying books. But yes, I did buy some books from Kindle and in the audiobooks format, but these are the books that I actually got in the paperback format from my library. So I have all of them here. Oops, they are so heavy. So, oh my god, I hope I don't let them fall. So these are all the books that I got from my library. I'm going to show you all of them one by one. So just be with me, okay? So this is the very first book that I got. It's called Deep Work. It's written by Cal Newport. I've talked about this book before as well in some of my videos. I listened to this book in the audiobook format and I liked it so much that I had to get a hard copy. And this actually is a hard copy, like a hardcover book, which I absolutely love. And also this book is the book of the month of Books Amaze Book Club. So if you guys don't know, we have a book club where each month we have one fiction and one non-fiction book, and at the end of the month we have a live session in which we discuss about those books and I answer a lot of your bookish questions as well. So this is the book of the month for the month of August in the non-fiction category. In the fiction category you can choose any book of Dan Brown. So this was the first one. Next I have Ikigai. So I have got some books that I've already read, but I haven't made a video about them. So I forgot to make a review video about them, or maybe they were due in the library, so I had to return them. That's why I couldn't make a video about them. But I've been getting so many requests from all of you guys that please make a video on so and so books. So this was one of them, and even I think that I need to talk about this book because I loved this when I read this, and it's getting quite popular these days. So Ikigai, and again I got it in a hardcover format. It's a beautiful book. I will talk about it soon. Next up we have a Murakami. So you guys know that I am a big Murakami fan. I have now read 4 books by Murakami. This would be my 5th, and the name of the book is South of the Border, West of the Sun. So I'm very excited. I don't know anything about this book yet, but I'm so excited to read Murakami. Next up is a book called Wonder. I honestly don't know much about it, but I've been seeing so many good reviews about this book recently, and so many booktubers have been talking about it, and they have been giving such good reviews about this book, so I had to get it. So yeah, Wonder. Next up again is a book that I have already read but haven't made a review about, which is God of Small Things. I have actually read this book twice in my life in different years, and at both of those times I fell in love with the writing. The story is so beautifully written. It's a very unusual story also. Many people haven't liked the story because of the plot line, which is I would say very weird. But I loved the writing style. And if you are someone who consider only reading elite authors and elite books, or you know, if you are on the likes of reading Jhumpa Lahiri, especially I'm talking in terms of fiction, then you should definitely, I think, read this book. And there are so many things that have been said about the author. I don't want to go into that, but I'm just talking about her work, and this is amazing. So yeah, I will give it a reread and I will make a video about it soon. Again, the next book is something that I absolutely love. It's amongst my top 5 favorite books, which is The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. I actually want to buy this book. I will buy this book soon. This is a library copy, but I think I should have this book in my personal library. So I will buy the book soon, but for the review I have got this book, and it's a masterpiece. What can I say? It's a collection of poetry, and it's related to Sufism, spirituality, and it's just again amazing. So yeah, The Prophet. Next one is also a book that I've already read. I've listened to this book in the audiobook format, again by Cal Newport, whose book is Deep Work that I talked in the very beginning. This is again a book by him called Digital Minimalism, and this book helped me a lot to curb my social media time, because I'm a phone addict, and because I have a business of Books Amaze, I have to be on Instagram and YouTube. I was also on Facebook. I was quite active on Facebook, and I won't say active, I was actually wasting my time on Facebook a lot, but I deactivated my account and I'm not on Facebook since past 2 months or 3 months probably, and I'm not missing it even a tiny bit. And thanks to this book, I actually understood that I don't need Facebook in my life. It's not doing me any good. And as per my business thing, like for Books Amaze, YouTube and Instagram is enough, and it actually is enough. So yeah, this book helped me a lot. So I'm going to talk in detail about this book. And quickly going to the next one, let me just mention one book that I've already read. It's Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. I read this book 5 or 6 years ago, and when I read it the very first time, I was sort of a beginner reader in terms of reading magical realism. This is a book of magical realism, and I couldn't understand it at all. I had to consult a friend who has read it and who is a Kafka fan, and he got me introduced to the world of magical realism, what it is all about, and how are books written in the world of magical realism. So then I understood it. I understood the allegories and the theme of the book. I read about it. I read about Franz Kafka, and then I thought, what a genius, man. And then I just got hooked into the world of magical realism. So I'm gonna make a detailed review about this. And see, I have a hardcover. It's actually sort of an illustration book, or you can say a graphic book, which is amazing. It just makes the whole thing of magical realism more imaginative, more wonderful, and I think you can understand the story more easily when you have an illustration book when it comes to magical realism genre. So yes, I'm going to talk about it soon. Now, the rest of the 2 books are the ones which I haven't read, and I'm very keen to read them. So the first one is Coraline, written by Neil Gaiman. Neil Gaiman is an author that I really want to read from a very long time, and this is again a graphic version of it. Coraline is actually a children's book, and you guys know that I love children's books. So I wanted to read Neil Gaiman from a very long time. I have heard that he's written some amazing books which include The Graveyard and Norse mythology. So, but I thought that this would be a good place to start reading Neil Gaiman because it's a children's book. So maybe I will understand his writing better when I'll start with this one. So this, and the last one is a book that I just picked randomly. It's a philosophy book, and its title is A Young Person's Guide to Philosophy. I Think, Therefore I Am. It's a big book, and it's actually a collection of many philosophers who have been there, who started this whole thing of philosophy and what they thought and what were their ideas and how this whole thing originated, and then who were the famous philosophers that we have had and what were their ideologies. So everything is mentioned in this book. And there were so many other books like this, but this one caught my eye the most. And there are so many philosophers like Socrates and Sartre, Hercules, Pythagoras, Thales, Plato, Stoic. So yeah, and it's illustrious, so it'll be easy and I won't get bored. So these are all the books. Let me count them. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 books. So yeah, a good book haul. And I also bought a book on my Kindle. I think that should also be considered in the book haul video, right? Because I actually paid money to purchase it. So on my Kindle, should I show you my Kindle? On my Kindle, I purchased the book called Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie, because it was the book of the month for the month of July. which we had discussed already in a live video. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and watch it. I'll paste the link in the description box below. So I purchased that book last month, in the month of July, and yeah, I think this is a very ambitious pile to read, and I hope that I'll read as many books I can out of all of these. The ones that I'm most excited about is Murakami, and I think Deep Work, obviously, because I want to give it a reread. I was quite impressed by that one, and Wonder. So yeah, these are all the books that I'm going to read, and let me know in the comment section below which one amongst all of these you want me to read first. So your wish is going to be my command, and I'll pick up that book amongst all of these, and I'll read that book and make a review about it. Okay, so I hope that you liked this video. I was very excited to share all of these books with you guys, and please follow me on my Instagram because I have posted a lot of pictures of this library over there as well, and I do post a lot of bookish pictures on my Instagram on a regular basis. So please make sure to follow me there, and I will see you guys very soon with another video of mine. Till then, you guys take care of yourself and keep reading. Bye bye.